How y'all doing today? As you know, I am Kyle Jacko coming at you with another series. This series right here is going to be called the Entrepreneurship Series. This series I'm doing is because I want y'all to know this right here. Every king, every queen, and I'm bringing you right now, they all started off, they all started off doing something when it came to their vision. Their vision was very successful in their brain. So what they did was they thought about it, they prayed about it, and they took it from here, put it on paper, and they made it reality. That's what an entrepreneurship is in my life. That's what I see them doing. So I had to bring them on this YouTube channel so y'all can get to know them. Hopefully, y'all go ahead and support them, do what they're doing. And hopefully, it makes you want to go out there and start your own business, do everything you got to do yourself too. But before we get ready to get into it, I need to do a moment of silence for all the kings and queens that we have lost. RIP. Long live Trey. Rest in paradise. I need all y'all to bow your heads for this moment of silence. And then we're going to get into this king. Long live Trey. Rest in paradise to all the fallen kings and queens. But now I have somebody introduced to you right now. This man has done all my logos, starting off with my YouTube channel. Matter of fact, not all of them, but when we had to revamp it, how y'all see everything different for the logo, he done it. This person right here is a part of the King series. He's a part of this entrepreneurship series. This man right here has been doing art is everything when it comes to this man. When I say the name Shango, y'all should already know that I got to be talking about my graphic designer, my artist, this person that will design anything that you give. He will write it on a cardboard box so you can give it to him. Shango designs anything. So Shango, I want you to go ahead and tell them more about yourself and show them some of your products.
All right, so as Kyle say, I'm Shango. I'm an artist. I do graphic designing also and vinyl printing on T-shirts. I own a custom printing and designing shop, also Airbrush shop in Decatur. So y'all can check us out. We'll hook up your joints for you. So a couple of my products. So this hoodie I have on is a vinyl printing. This is my first line. It's called Ration Davidi's. This other line is the shop name Off the Dome Custom. As you see, it's airbrushed mixed with vinyl. Like we make your stuff right. So if you have them 70 parties, 80 parties, hip hop parties, we got you. We can bring it back old school. So that's what we do. I do vinyl work also.
Okay. Shango, I want to ask you, what made you want to start your own business? What made you want to do it?
I've since like growing up, I've never had a drive to work for somebody. Um, I always have in my mind like, yo, I'm working, breaking my back to make someone else rich. Why not put that same energy into my own thing, make myself rich? So I just tried to be working, and then a certain opportunity came, and I just took it around with it. You know what I'm saying? Someone showed me the game on how to get into vinyl printing, taught me everything majority of what I know. I can't say everything I know because I'm a researcher, man. I will research the heck out of something until I get it right. So, he taught me the basics and I went from there until I'm doing customers where I'm booked for days because I got people coming to get stuff made from me because they're like, you always make it right. You always put your spin on it. You always, be creative. Sometimes make it right. Stand corrected because I've messed up a couple of times. I'm human. I can't spell matter because I had an S on the end of it by accident.
Okay, we're gonna let Shango add up because yeah, we gonna let you have though. Shango actually designed one of the shirts that I did, and first time Shango ever messed up. That's why I really couldn't tell him that Shango messed up, put two S's on my shirt. But we gonna let that go. Shango, what are the tools do people need to be an entrepreneur?
Gotta have drive. Gotta have a drive. Gotta have passion. Got to have a goal. You know what I'm saying? If you don't have a goal, you don't know where you're going. I'm saying you have to set yourself a goal to say, okay, this is what I want to accomplish. This is my next step. And always aim for that step. Then once you're close to it, set another goal for your next step. Like it'll keep you moving, keep you having an end game somewhere you want to reach. So you gotta keep moving, and you just gotta work hard to achieve what you need to achieve.
Okay. I have something called on this because I always have something. You remember the King series I had, the wordplay and stuff like that. But this right here, I have to call it the motivation of an entrepreneur. Now, since I know you and you always design a lot of stuff for me, when I asked you to do my logo, when I asked you to do it, this is the logo that Shango does. Shango does all my logos. How did you create this, Shango? Like, what went through your head after me not telling you anything? I just said, hey, I need to revamp a logo. What made you, how was you able to do this, Shango? Because now you have printed this on more than enough shirts and more than enough jackets too. So how did you be able to do that, Shango?
All right, so like I said, for me, creating a logo is like taking different pieces, and put together. I like puzzles. You know what I'm saying? Puzzles is something I love to do. So I love to take stuff, put them together, just keep putting them together until they fit. So I've decided that creative mind, and as far as for your logo, how it came to be is like, okay, Jacko want to be worldwide. Okay, let me throw the word up in there real quick. Motivational. When you think about somebody being motivational, you always think I'm holding a mic. Had to throw the microphone in there. Had to put a little bit of my culture in it. I had to admit it. That's I had to put the black, green, and gold. I'm from the islands. I'm Jamaican. Got to put my color. So, I had to put that in there to it. But thing about people don't understand about my colors is that the green stands for vegetation, the black stands for people, and the yellow stands for the sunshine. So there's some good in my colors.
Okay. The next one I want to know, what do you want people to pick up from this entrepreneurship series? Like, what do you want people to learn from this?
I want people to learn that we as people, we can achieve what we can, that we that we want. So we can get to places beyond what our mind can comprehend. You know what I'm saying? We can do it. So I want people to have the drive to accomplish what they need to accomplish, have the drive to push forward, have the drive to build something for themselves. Then be like, okay, at the end of the day, talking to your grandkids, your great grandkids, be like, this is what I did to get to here. I want you to have that drive to surpass me, to do great yourself. So I want people to have us build that drive.
Okay. So, Shango, you done a real good job. But you know what it's time for now, don't you? It is time for the motivational prayer. These motivational prayers, I do these motivational prayers because I look at life like this. If I pray for Shango, Shango prays for me, then Shango pray for somebody else. Everybody keeps on praying for everybody else. We all get the blessings. So that's why I continue these prayers. I continue doing. So hopefully y'all actually enjoy them. Hopefully y'all love them. And right now we about to jump on into it right now. So Shango, you ready?
Ready. Go ahead.
Okay then. I need all y'all to close your eyes and bow your heads. God, thank you for another motivational video. God, thank you for letting us be able to create something that will be something good for everybody to see, for everybody to just to understand and know that, God, we're all using our God-given talents right now to just move forward in life. God, thank you for Shango being able to have the creative mind he has to be able to take images from his mind and put them on paper, put them on shirts, put them on walls and paintings and everything else like that. God, I want you to keep on blessing him, blessing his career, blessing his life, and everybody that gets around Shango, for them to see the positive energy that Shango has every time he opens his mouth, every time he put a pen somewhere, or he paints anything with a brush, just keep on blessing this talent. To everybody watching this, I want them to know, God, they can be entrepreneurs. They can do everything they want to do. Just go out there and keep on receiving their blessings. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so Shango, I need you to give everybody out your websites, all your social media, where they can find you at.
All right, so you can find me on IG. You can find me on Instagram. You can find me at the shop. My shop is located in the 285 Flea Market on Glenwood. So that's 4525 Glenwood Road, Decatur, Georgia, 30032. We're in Unit K1. Walk through the door, just ask for the Airbrush shop. We're in the back. They know where we at. My Instagram is Art by Shango. That's ARTBYSHANGO. So you can find me there, and you can find my shop page at Off the Dome Customs. So that's OFFTHEDOME Customs, Off the Dome Customs.
Okay, and I'm gonna have everything down at the bottom too, so y'all be able to find them out everywhere he goes there too. Before we get to wrap it up, this is what I want to tell y'all. The vision I had, every series that you see right now, I pray for these. I pray to God, and I would tell God, just whatever you want me to talk about to do it. This entrepreneurship series is something that I love because I started out having a vision of being a motivational speaker. I started out thinking about a king series, a queen series, a lion's den, a king and queen conversations, more series coming. But one thing I kept on doing was I never gave up. I kept on moving forward, and I kept on just loving my dream, loving my vision. I want y'all to take everything that everybody is saying to y'all, and if y'all have a talent, y'all have something that y'all want to do, y'all go out there and do it. If somebody tells you you cannot do something, just notice right there, they're telling you can't do it because they're scared to do it themselves. Everybody has had doors slammed in their face and everything else like that. You think that stopped us? No. Entrepreneurs, we do not stop. We keep on moving forward. We keep on just loving our life. Shango, it's the entrepreneurship message. What you got to give to them?
Like Jacko said, you gotta have drive. I keep saying it through this whole video. You gotta have drive, and just keep pushing. Keep your head up. Like I said, you're gonna get door slams in your face, but that don't mean there are not other doors you can open, other avenues you can go down. So just gotta keep moving.
Okay. So, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this right here. Remember, if y'all ever in Atlanta, Georgia, if y'all in Decatur, 285 Flea Market, Off the Dome Customs, hey, the proof is here. You see the logo everywhere you see it at. Every time you see this logo, I want you to think about Shango. Shango is really good at what he does. He takes pride in everything he does. So, man, y'all just got to just keep on moving forward. Hey, if y'all need artwork done, go see him. You need something painted, go see him. This man right here is not going to change. Hey, man, you got to get ready to do the next logo. And the next logo, King Series, the King Chapter 2 coming next year. Shango gonna do that logo. Any logo you see when it comes to the series is coming from Shango. I trust Shango that much. So hopefully y'all trust him with y'all business and everything y'all got moving forward. And y'all check him out. Anything left to tell him, Shango, while wrap up this video?
I'm just saying, come see me, and like, subscribe, and follow Kyle Jacko. You already know.
Ha! You see that? Hey, man, I love y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.